City no favor me, village go must favor me. People will love me, them go see another version of Oyibo. Oyibo the hustler, I know they give up at all. If you see me call me Oyibo, the international seller, I go answer because not true you talk.
Sister Ibo, you have plenty money. Who wants the money?
Why are you laughing? Is it your money?
No.
Want to kidnap me? I collect my 24,000. Want to kidnap me?
No.
Want to kill my soul?
No.
Why are you happy? Is it your money? Weba.
Girl, sister, I want to go and see my friend.
Stay.
Don't worry. When I'm coming back, I will look for Obi and I will beat her up.
Don't beat her. Hug her. Weba.
Village go must favor me.
I'll beat Obi up.
Love me, them go see another version of Oyibo.
Sister, I'm coming.
Don't come.
They give up at all. If you see me come,
You are looking at me now. You don't know that your eye has carried 500 from this morning.
I go answer because not true you talk. I know Sabi Oyibo, the international seller.
Who is going to help a widow like me in this village? Mama, what is this? Why are you lamenting?
Oyibo, you still have such money?
I do not even know I have this kind of money. I have been very, very happy since I saw it.
Thank God.
But why are you lamenting?
I went to see Okute to plead with him to have pity on you. Okute even made things worse for me.
Mama, why are you following me down? Why are you begging him? For what? Do not beg him again. Thank God I have seen this money. I will go to the market to reorganize myself, to stock my shop. I'm going to go and buy shoulder pads, because they like shoulder pads in this village. I buy button and zip and stock my shop and open it here. Let me see what they will come and do in my father's compound. Do not worry.
Oyibo,
Mama,
you have to take it easy. Our people are very bad. They said you must register with 150,000. That if you don't do that, they will stop you from operating tailoring business in this village. If you like, you enter my bedroom, say they will come and arrest you there.
and if I enter into your womb, what will happen? They'll come and carry me there. I'm waiting for them, Mama. Do not worry. Just go inside. Go and eat. Don't worry yourself.
Okute was serious. Okute is an evil man. He is a bad person.
Me too, I'm serious.
Hi.
Do not worry, just go and eat. Oh, I'm ready for them.
Should I take all these clothes?
No, I'm stocking my shop.
So you're going to the market?
Yeah, I'm stocking it.
Okay.
I buy button, I buy zip. I buy shoulder pads, they like it here. The men, they like shoulder pads.
Okay. Oh, yeah, go.
Not worry, Mama. Oh? I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you.
could he be by this time? His number is not... He's not picking. Am I not beautiful enough for tennis? Am I not beautiful enough for him? Since I married Dennis, I have been having heartbreak all the time. What is the... Why? Why? Should I quit this marriage? Okay, fine. Now I've decided to forgive him and make love to him. He's nowhere to be found. He's not even taking my calls. Look at the beautiful flower I decorated. Just look how beautiful they are. Dennis, I love you. I love you so much. Only if you can be in my heart. Only if you can see my heart and you know the kind of love I have for you. I love you so much.
Baby. Baby, you're too sweet.
I know.
Baby Bugum, you want to kill me. You're too sweet, you're too succulent.
Thank you.
Ah!
I tell you, what you just get? Tip. You know, tip.
You don't mean it.
The whole thing never enter.
I've not even started.
I just tip.
Aye. And that's why I don't even want to go home. I want to spend enough time with you.
Ah no, boss.
Hey, baby, no, wait.
Boss, I gotta
Wait,
go.
let me tell you something. Wait, just chill, okay? Baby, see. Just name whatever you want. I am going to do it for you. I don't want to share you with anybody. How can I share this with anybody?
Hey. As in, make I name anything I want.
Don't just say it. And I will do it. I'm capable.
That's like you.
Let's just say it.
That's like you, bros.
I don't want to share
You're
this.
correct.
I don't want to share you with anybody.
You're correct.
Aye.
You know, say salt,
Oh, yeah.
if you put in water,
It will melt.
it will melt.
I know.
Let me say, you guys, they protect her.
Pamper.
They guide her.
Yes.
Take care of her.
I will pamper you.
Hey.
I will pamper you.
Hey.
I will pamper
Bros,
you. Not too soft now.
You don't get problem.
I know.
It's not like that. I know mine to be your second wife.
Hey! Get away. You're too fine.
You like her like that? You like her like that?
You.
Oh, brother! Hey!
I don't mind. Please, give me.
Who's that? Who's that?
My wife.
You go pick him.
Why you go pick him? Am I mad?
About talk.
Why should I pick it when I'm here with you?
I don't know.
Are they crazy?
I'm not even sure she's sexy reach me now. She don't feel reach me. That's so
What sweet pass you? Who sex reach you?
They're not rich.
Nobody.
They're not rich.
That is
bro.
why I don't want to share you with anybody. Please, name whatever. I will do it for you.
You can't talk saying Boshi, remember? You say you push your wife.
Don't even mind that. I don't even want her again. She just have to go. Yes.
Let me say. No, let me come there for your house.
Baby, I need you more than anything. Once you hear,
As in your main chick.
I'm going to pursue. I'm going to chase her away. Once you hear, she's gone.
You're so correct.
Come.
I feel like a type.
Come and give it to me, please.
Hey, Rosie.
Please come.
You won't finish the salt.
Please.
You know, say the salt now, they touch her like this.
Baby, I know.
If you touch her, you turn her, you taste her.
Let it melt on me.
You taste her.
Because
salt, you just put her small.
This is what you do.
Not finish them now. My salt I be.
Come, please. Come.
Eh? You want to get another one? Ma can't garnish you again.
No.
Can't garnish you. I will see her. Check.
Hey. Come now.
Stop saying you take care of me, Abby.
I'm going to do anything. Just name it.
You get the money.
Just name it.
Get her.
Let me make a transfer so you understand.
Bros.
Yeah. Oh.
Make him a beg, you sweat.
No.
Sorry, oh. Nah.
Baby, my hands are shaking.
No. Make you no shaking now. No. Collect her. Hey, bros. I feel like you this and finish, oh. Put your hand for here.
Okay.
Zenith Bank.
Okay, I can use one hand.
Bros, use two hands.
Okay, Zenith Bank.
Zenith Bank.
Are you sure it's Zenith?
It's Zenith now, brother. I can't be that.
Okay, no, it's coming off. Zenith.
Oh, yes. 101.
101.
61. 82. 869.
869. Baby, can you call it again, please? Bro, I want to be sure.
Correct.
I want to be sure.
Okay, 101.
101.
61. 82. 869.
869. Oh, that's your name.
How much you want to put for this?
You're going to see it right now.
What's done?
Look at it. I told you.
Ross, collect salt.
Who is here? I have come. Oyibo. Mama Oyibo. People should come.
You are welcome.
Mama, where is your daughter? Let her come. I have come for final time. The concluding parts. That's what I'm doing now. Concluding parts. Because after today, if you refuse to do what I want, there'll be war.
Okute, I don't know what else you want me to do on this.
Have you talked to your daughter about what I told you? Joining us or joining me in my shop? Is it that she join me in my shop or she register with the union? Else, Katakata will boss.
Okute, I don't know how else you want me to beg you on this issue. My daughter has made up her mind that she is not going to join any of those two. Oh yes. What people want to do to her is bad though. It is not fair. This is pure intimidation. And we have made some inquiries and found out that there is nothing like tailoring union in this community.
Huh?
Bam. It's fake.
People are looking for trouble. They wait and see for what is going to happen. You people will see war. She's back. Better. Yeah?
You're welcome. Before I close my eye and open it, I don't want to see you here. Go.
Mama, did you hear what your daughter said? Do you hear your daughter? Better turn back now, carry that bag, follow me to my shop. So I go and dump it there. You start with me. Count 100,000 and give me.
Are you mad? Me that I've gone to the market to buy everything I need to stock my shop. I should register with you.
Then, let's go to my shop.
Now give me.
She will charge it for you. Go.
You're pushing chairman.
She will charge it for you.
You're pushing chairman. You people are fighting chairman. You people are fighting chairman.
Remove your hand.
You people are fighting chairman. Tell us, where are you?
You are looking for.
Hey! Tell us, where are you?
Remove your hand from this.
And what is going on here? What's going on?
And where are you coming from?
Why do you ask? Why do you ask? See, I don't have your time this morning.
Dennis,
You understand?
you must have my time. What have I done to deserve this?
No, swear that you're not coming from a woman's house this time.
Are you mad? Hey. Don't you ever in your life say filthy words to me again. Else. Do you understand? Else.
Dennis. No, Dennis. You slapped me, Dennis. Dennis, you slapped me.
And I'm going to slap you again if you do not shut up. And I'm going to slap you again if you do not get out from this house. Fool.
I be master, money no be my matter. Oh. Make I enjoy life, life no day too. Anyhow we be, na money go settle am oh. Oga one day he go tell on you, you hear? One day he go tell on you. All your chitty.
Dennis slapped me. Dennis slapped me. Dennis slapped me. What have I done? Dennis.
Hello? Yes, sister. Oh, why? Oh no. I'm so sorry. Stop crying. Yes, I know you're hurt. But just stop crying, okay? Please. Yes, I'm coming to see you. Matter of fact, I'll be on my way. Yes. But please just stop crying. Okay. I'll see you soon, okay? I love you.
What's happening again?
It's my sister.
What did she do again? What did she do now?
That useless man who calls himself her husband beat her up. He beat her up just because she confronted him about his whereabouts last night.
Man, they try. The man, they try.
Babe, I'm going to go over to that place. He will see the worst of me today. That bastard. He has the audacity to lay his hands on my sister. Babe, make I go there. I'll see you later, babe.
I guess I'll go see my own food. What is my name? You, Dennis, you will suffer.
I will tell you that I am not a fool. No. You think I'm a fool? What have I not done for you in this house? Why are you treating me like this? Why are you making my life so miserable? Why?
Dennis, you will suffer. Dennis, you will suffer. You say you will suffer in your whole life. Dennis, for you to slap me today, you will suffer. What have I done to you? No, Dennis, tell me, what have I done to you to deserve this, your attitude towards me? Since I married you, I've never cheated on you. I've been this woman a woman of substance. I've never cheated on you. I've never seen another man. I've never done anything. But every time you go about with numerous girlfriends. But for you to slap me today because of a woman. Dennis, my God will judge you. Dennis, you will suffer. You suffer in your life. You will suffer. You will suffer.
And for your information, I am leaving this house now. And I'm not coming back. I am going to sleep with my woman. So if you want, you can go ahead and hang yourself. Okay?
Oh, yes? Oh, this is it, right? No, you can go ahead. But mark my words to take. No. I promise you, I will never cry for you again in this house. That is, it's a promise. It's a promise. You can go ahead and help them if you want. Just go ahead and
Okute. I don't know what you have to do.
You don't have
this
to
girl will
worry.
take out my business from me.
You don't have to worry. We have told you this thing. Calm down. Problem we have now is that she has found out that we don't have union in this village. So we have to gather more tellers. Recruit people. Whether they tell us or not, we have to recruit people. Go to her house, destroy things. By the time we give her fire, give her pressure, she will see that she will be afraid and she will run away from this village. Or she will come with me. What
she
nonsense?
may take this matter up. What if she takes it up? What are we going to do?
No, I will bring her to my mission. Don't worry. You don't have to panic. I have a lot of plans. So you see, by the time I unleash all these plans on Oyibo will run. Calm down. We are going to treat her fuck up. Then she will understand that she need to stay with Okute. Else, nobody. She will not establish.
This is what you have to work on. No. You have to work on bringing her back to your shop. Please, if that's the best thing you will do, bring her back to your shop. I cannot compete with her. You know how city people can be. I don't want her to take my customers from me. Because
she will not. How can she take your customers? She's going to... See, I'm going to... See, this is her position. This is her position. I have gotten a position for her. So, as far as she's going to be in this village, she will be in my shop. Else, she will go back to the city. Don't worry, go home. I have a lot of plans. By the time I unleash those plans, Oyibo, count on me 10 times. Oyibo, it's either you go back or you come to me. Never. How you imagine? You don't have to worry. Just go home and rest. Leave this for me.
Hey. Wow. Babe, you are now on point. This is good news, you know.
Babe, so this time around there, I hit them big. As they talk, they burst they all over me. He never even agree me go out last night. See that bros, I no go pity.
No pity. Deal with him. Deal with them. Show no mercy.
So they talk so they don't transfer 200 back to my account. And today, me and I will spend the whole of it today.
Babe, whatever that Baba gave you is really working, you know.
It work, it show. It work, it show. I tell you, if I see me will make that bros sell all in property, give me money. The money don't make sense, give me everything. See that bros, I go run am down.
Run am, babe. Run am, dry am.
I will use them. They drown like straw.
Like waiting.
Straw now.
Salt. You go keep person.
I got time to love.
I'm so happy. I'm going to be the first customer.
Yes, you are the very first, Mama. I told you customers to come.
Yes, they will come. Obi has been the only one sewing female clothes, and she doesn't know how to sew clothes. She doesn't know how to sew clothes. She will be afraid if she heard that. In fact, she'll have blood pressure if she heard that you've arrived.
Oh, that's why they're trying to scare me with this union thing.
Serious? Mama, didn't I tell you there is nothing like that?
You said so, Mama. If Okuta was here this morning, I told you.
The stars are raining in the city now. Hey! You'll be shocked.
You will sew that one for me.
Bone straight gown. Bone straight gown is everywhere in the city now.
Are you serious?
Yes, when you're wearing bone straight gown, you wear bone straight hair. Hi! I sew bone straight for
that
you.
one for me.
Yes.
There is this new clothes I bought newly. You will sew it for me. Yes. Wait, I'm coming.
And I will give you discount. Oh.
Yes.
Big discount.
Wait, I'm going to bring the clothes now. No, Mama, I'm coming.
Okay. Oh, thank you. Oh, I'm waiting. Oh,
yes, I'm coming.
heavy discount.
Sorry.
Oyibo, Mama, I'm afraid though. You're afraid? Because of all those nuisance?
No, it's about this work you'll be doing for them. Since you don't know how to do it very well, you will end up having issues with them in this village. Did you hear what she said about Obi? I don't want people to come and fight us here.
Mama, allow me to start first. Don't be negative. Allow me start first. Allow me even cut the material. Or let me use my measuring tape to know how many yards the material is before you come and tell me that you're afraid. Or you bring negative thing into it. Let me cut the material first.
God will help and direct you. Avoid police.
Dennis. Well, it's okay, sis. Because this time around, it will be the last time it happened. I want you to leave this house.
I don't know what Mama will say, but I'm tired. Only I'm tired. I'm tired of this marriage.
That is why I am here. Come with me to my hostel.
Can you say I should come to your hostel?
Why can't you? I'm your sister.
What about your roommate?
Oh. She's out of town. She went out with her man and she's probably not coming back this weekend. Besides, sis, even at that, I will still want you to come regardless, because even if you don't, I'll go ahead and tell Mama everything you've been going through in this house. Yes! Oh, sis, I don't like it when you cry. It's okay. Don't cry.
Well, how could Daddy do this to me?
Because he's very stupid. And he will regret it. But until then, you need to leave this places. Okay? Don't cry. It's okay. Thank you.
You see this material? I bought it costly. It's very expensive.
This material is very costly.
Yes.
Very, very costly.
Yes.
Okay.
You see that style that is reigning in the city?
Bond Street girl.
That's the one you sew for me.
Okay. The only problem there is that you don't have Bond Street hair to wear it. But nobody will
you sew it for me.
Yes.
You sew it for me.
Yes, bone is bone. Yes, yes.
Me too. You make me a very nice jumpsuit. This is my material. Fine one.
But we have come. We have come. You have to stop everything you are doing now. We'll show you who we are now.
Are you mad?
Ose, are we mad?
If you don't stop it or you give us the money for the union.
Exactly.
Yes, exactly.
Ha.
No more, no less.
Are you seeing trouble now? No, are you seeing trouble now?
Okute, when did you people have union in this village?
Can you imagine? Are you a teller? What is your business? Are you a teller? Will you shut up there and take your clothes and get out from here? She's not going to sew it though, because she's not in our union.
Okute, this is pure intimidation. Because there is nothing like terror union.
Shut up, your mad. Are you mad? Inapuala. See, Oyibo, if you don't give us our money now, you better pack this nonsense you're sewing here. Because I don't know what you're sewing. Pack this rubbish.
Tell us union.
Forever.
Tell us union.
Forever.
You're not going to stop.
I'm talking, you're still packing our clothes. Oh, put her in.
Mama, please don't come in. I came here, I warned you people that union people, she must register with us. And you people refused. Now, I'm here with my union members.
Yes.
Okay, tell us union what? Tell us union what? Now, even if that what? Oh, put that. Osata. Huh? Tell our union. You see what they're looking for? Yeah. Tell our union.
Tell us union.
See the way they're looking for trouble. Eh?
You see the way they are looking for trouble. As I have started my shop here, I do not want trouble. Because I do not want trouble, that is why I'm giving you your material. And that style that you say you want to sew, the one that is jumping.
Yes.
The material will not be enough for this time.
Are you sure?
Just put the material back inside the nylon. Yeah? Change it. Oh, buy new material, plenty one for that one.
What of my own?
Yeah, I saw your own.
You sew it very well.
Yeah, very well with discounts.
Thank you very much. Sew it very well, eh? I'll come back for it.
Dalusa, Dalusa.
Oyibo. Is the style difficult for you?
Oh, no, Mama, it's not difficult at all. I do not even know the style. So I said, let me give her back the material.
Mama, it's the style.
Oyibo, Mom.
Sister, just tell her you can also eat. It's city style.
Village go must stay for me. People will love me, them go see. Another version of Oyibo. Oyibo the hustler. I know they give up at all. If you see me call me Oyibo, the international self.
You will see. Hey, who are going to trust you? Oyibo, I will change this for you.
Why did we even run? Eh? See, I'm no longer interested in this thing. No.
Jesus. Hey. I didn't know that she would react like this. I didn't know she would react like this. But don't worry, leave me and her. I'll deal with her in this village.
Mana Cherekwano, why did we even run? She might think she has defeated us. So.
Abi?
I quit for you now, Kabasa home. I beg you people should settle us. Let's go, I beg. Settle us, I want to go.
Settle you?
Settle us, I beg.
See, let me tell you, I didn't know she would react like this. How can you say I should settle you when you know that the money I told you people that when we go there, we collect the money from her, we share. We did not get the money. Do you want my blood?
Okute, see. This is not what we agreed, though. Let this village not gather for 2 of us here. Give me my 10,000 naira. Let me just go home in peace.
10,000 naira.
I beg.
Guy, you don't understand. I don't like this thing people are saying. Eh? If you want my cap, I will give you my cap.
I want to get problem for you, Okute.
Abi, Okute, you two knows very well. There's no tailoring union in this village. So why do you call us to go and fight? Why?
What do you mean? How should you call to fight? Well, listen, we are fighting now. Is it not for all of us? If all of us tell us. If all of us tell us now. Why are you talking like this? People should calm down, oh. Calm down. See, as for this thing, we are going to settle it with her. Yeah?
We have agreement. Come and settle us.
Why did you not collect it from you?
Are you not going to tell us? Why you say settle you? Is that your hope? Oh, your hope?
Okute, see, I don't have problem with you. I don't have problem with you at all. Don't get me angry. Don't just get me angry like now. It's getting on my nerves. Like this thing, you name it now. I'm not going to take it from you. I'll report it to the village elder. So see, I will report you people to the villlet elder.
Yes. Wait.
I'll report you. Settle me, give me my money. I want to go.
This money that you're talking about, is that your last hope?
Oh, hope.
Let it be.
It's my hope.
Let it be. Give me my 10,000 naira.
It's my hope. Oh, hope.
Go to Iba and collect it. What is your problem? Both of you are now talking as if and what you are fighting is not for you. See, let me tell you. You are selling clothes for dead people. Oyibo is coming out to take over. And I'm fighting for you and you are talking nonsense.
Okute,
what's your problem?
Okute, did I hear you say I should go and meet Oyibo?
Go and meet Oyibo.
Did I have business with Oyibo?
Don't you have food at home? Don't you have food at home?
Okute, please.
My 10,000 naira.
This
village together for us.
Your 10,000 naira as your salary.
See,
calm down. Because all this big trousers you are sewing for elders. Are you not the one sewing trousers for Ndichi?
Okute, I don't want to get angry.
If you want to
get angry, this village will back up for me and you.
Better let them back up for us. Yes.
Okute, this village will back up for me and you.
So if we did not go for this rampage, you will not go to market. You see your life. Better we see your life. So I told you people, let's go on a rampage and collect money from Oyibo. And we went there things spoiled. Now you want to hold me responsible because you will not go to market again or you will not make your hair again. See, you people should calm down. All this thing I'm doing now, I'm doing it for you people. You will stop. If we pursue Oyibo and Oyibo leave this village now, she will not collect customers from you. You sew clothes for dead people. You sew for Ndichi. So you people should know I'm fighting for you. If you cannot wait, let's go to my shop. There's one Congo Stadia. I sew. Nobody agreed to buy it because there's no leg. I'll give it to you to go and sell it. If you sell it, you can share the money. So I can't want to marry you.
Ndoka, me and you concosa without
bad market.
Let's go to my shop.
Simple. Where be going?
Go, you are going.
Oh, in our go.
If
you will hear from me,
Okute konkosa.
You will hear
from me.
You will hear from me.
It cannot see your 10,000.
Let us go.
We shall see.
See, if Oyibo see you people, she will break your head.
Let's
go.
Follow me to my shop now. Come and collect my cap. You will sell it.
Oh, when you get you need me. Come on, you boy, not keep it down. You boy, not keep it down. Ben na 10,000.
Can you imagine? So because these things they don't work.
It happened that because.
Why you carry me as if I'm your husband? What is all these things? Let's go, please.
Hey, Nina, you're welcome. Mama,
thank you, Mama.
Look at you. Where was my daughter? Mama. My dear.
How are you?
I'm fine.
How have you been, Mama?
I'm fine, as you can see. So finally, you people have come to see me.
Mama, we are sorry, but we are here now.
I'm happy. Let's go and sit down. Come.
Oh,
Hey.
Mama.
Hey.
Mama.
Mama. Look at it. Huh? Rose, Mama. You're welcome. Thank you.
Baby. See how I'm looking at you. You're too sweet. You're too beautiful. Where will I start from? Huh?
Easy.
Why am I feeling this way for you? Why?
Easy.
What have you done to me?
Martin, I never did anything to you. Never did anything to you. I just smote him with this.
Why?
Why did they call me salt now? It is say they call me salt for nothing. You get reason.
You're too testy.
I get taste.
You're so testy. And that is why I want us to spend the weekend in this hotel.
I just say you won't own me alone, Abby.
See, by the time I get home, I am going to teach that woman the lesson of her life. Yes.
Maybe you talk say you go pursue and marry me.
Yes. I will do that. I will do just that. But if you will agree to marry me, I will do exactly that. You know I told you before. Somebody's gone.
Bros, do well now. Huh? Do well. The money what you say you give me, don't give me. You never give me. Bros, now. You never give me anything, and I say you want to marry me.
Baby, see. I told you before, just mention anything. Just say it. You've not even said anything. Just say it. Just say it. Just say it. I'll do it. Okay.
If I want to talk now, say, I want me to buy me a house for Lagos to buy a
house. Is it in Lake? Or
no, Banana Island.
Banana Island. Banana. Have they finished cutting all the bananas there? So I will take one portion and build a mansion for you.
Bros. You just say you get money.
How about that, Allah? Do you want me to make a transfer?
You get money, true.
Let me call my agent, so you understand what I mean.
Because if you get money, there's no Banana Island down.
Oh, I know it now. I remember it. Let me call my agent.
You're buying from me.
Of course. Just mention it.
House for Banana Island.
Yes. Hello?
Call him.
Tunde? Tunde? My friend, shut up. Listen to me. That house you showed me last week, is it still there? How much are they selling it now? How much? This boy, the phone just caught.
Call him back. Why would Dennis treat you like that? I will never take it from him. I won't.
Exactly my sentiments, Mama. I've been telling her to leave that place, all to no avail, because she wouldn't listen. Instead, she justifies what he's doing, making excuses for him. Mama, marriage is not by force. Nowadays, people divorce.
Onyechuku, she will not leave that marriage like that.
Why?
We need to go to the city. I want to talk to Dennis. I want to see him. Myself, I want to see him. Please what? Please what?
Mama, it's okay. Mama, I can't leave my husband.
Have you seen it?
I can't leave my marriage, Mama. Who will I leave my marriage for? For another woman to come into my family? No, Mama, I can't. And besides, Mama, I don't want him to think I came to report you to him.
This is all I've been getting from her, Mama. She's still not seeing any reason to leave that hell of a home. Divorce is allowed, though.
Rose, I don't care whether he thinks you came to report him or not. I will not live to see my daughter pass through all this in her marriage. Do you understand me? And tomorrow, I wouldn't want his family to begin to say, my daughter did this, she did that to them. If he doesn't want to marry you, let him come and tell us. Meanwhile, I have to go to that city and see Dennis with my eyes. Dennis must see me in action. He will tell me why he is treating my daughter like this. Ogini.
It's not okay.
It's okay what? It is not okay. Nothing is okay in this matter.
Sister, do you know why he keeps treating you like this? It's because you think it's okay. You keep tolerating it. You keep making excuses for him. How is it okay that you cry all the time?
Why?
Onye, please, can you just shut up?
Will you shut up yourself, Mechikerano? Dennis must see me in action.
Leave that place, you will not hear. It's women like you that die. Divorce is allowed.
Onyinye, please, can you shut up? Just shut up. And you shut up your own mouth.
Don't be angry with me. Eh? Please. I was only trying to make you stay with me because I admire you. I didn't know this will get to this point.
Move it. When you get to police station, you go and tell them there.
Oga, move. Officer, you are here now. Officer, take him away. Let's talk it here. Oga, move. Officer, let me bring my cap. I need to show police uniform. Move it. Please. Move. Oyibo, please. Move. Officer.
Don't eat someone.
Move. Officer.
Ebere. You see, eh?
What is just
Oyibo is arresting everybody that invaded the house.
Ini! Me, I don't have money to bail myself at all. I don't have money to bail myself. Udoka, I don't have money.
God's again. I'm happy. Let them be there. Let them be in that cell. When they come out, they will know that you are not the kind of lady to play with.
Oh, Mama. I will run away in the city. I come back to my own father's compound, my own father's village, and I'll begin to run again. Obromwa.
Hiya. Thanks to Uche and Dada, God will bless them for me. Hey. What worries me now is this kind of styles they say you should do for them. How are you going to do it? Since you said you are not good with such styles.
Mama, don't worry. I'll look for a way and sew it for them. I'll look for a way.
How long will you do this? How long? I will suggest you look for somewhere and go and learn this work very well to avoid problem.
Fashion school. Fashion school is what I want to do now. I want to go and learn it in fashion school. But where will I get money to do it?
That is the problem. Where do we get money from?
So I've been thinking that these people that are in police station now, I will say I want to sue them. Yes, I sue them. They will give me money. The money they will give me, I will use it and go to fashion school.
How much is the money? How much is the money? Well, I will do whatever I can to make sure I sponsor you.
Then go working bank. Then go my man. Then go no longer my man. If it is not that useless Denko that ran away with my money and Ogechi's money, spoil my relationship with Ogechi, I would not have lost that contract. Because the money for that contract, I would have used it and go to fashion school. Okay, we sew. Then she will give me a percentage. Then ran away with Oge money. Oge now scatter the contract.
Don't worry, you will go to school. Don't worry, my joy will be complete to see you make it in this life.
Any day I see Denko, oh, Chineke, I must bite him.
You got to fair flesh.
The minute I recognize him, I must bite him here. I must bite him, Mama. I must bite him.
You mean that you are happy that she's back to this village? That's not what I mean. What I'm trying to say is that I'm happy that she knows how to sew clothes very well. Not that rubbish should be used to sew for us. If you don't beg her, she'll not amend the clothes for you. Don't mind that stupid girl. Well, I'm happy as well. After sewing down my beautiful clothes, I'll use it and showcase on Ogona's wedding. Babe will hear from me. Even me too. My dear, Obi and Okote, they will remain in that police cell because they deserve it. That serves them right. But wait, those two people are funny. Had it been we did not intervene, this is how they will silently take away that huge sum of money from Oyibo. I am telling you, these people have guts. Anyway, Oyibo is not someone that you can intimidate anyhow. I trust her. They will remain there until they are ready to comply with our terms. Yes, no. It's good to be a city girl, you know?
You don't know before. City life is sweet, though. Hey!
Mama, I am done. I won't take this anymore. I am not going to take it anymore. Huh? If you want, go and report to my own mother. I don't care. As far as I'm concerned, I'm done with this marriage. It's ended.
Huh?
Yes.
Dennis, what has my daughter done to you? Dennis, where did she wrong you? Hi. I didn't know you would treat my daughter.
Ma, do not care what she must have told you. I've said what I've said. And if you care to know, I've seen another woman I want to get married to.
What?
Dennis.
That's my name.
Dennis, why are you doing this to me?
That's your business.
Dennis, I loved you. Why are you doing this to me? I loved you. Why? Dennis, you will not do this to me. No, Dennis, you will not do that to me.
Come on, Dennis! Get out.
Dennis!
Don't touch
Dennis!
me. Just.
Dennis! Dennis!
Sit down.
Dennis! I'm okay. I think I'm going crazy.
You are not. You are not. Just calm down.
Dennis wants to look for another woman. Tell me, what have I done to Dennis? What have I done to him?
Calm down. Just calm down. Let me pretend as if I didn't hear what he said. Huh? Calm down. I will not leave this house until this matter is settled. Relax, oh? It's okay. It's okay.
Am I not okay for Dennis now?
You are okay. Very okay. Hey.
Hello? Ross. No. No be that duplex, so. My house there after that duplex. You will see her, my compound just there after her. And nah, I wait you. Okay.
I'll be on my way.
Abana. You know, go wait to see my guy first before you're gonna go.
Let me see him next time. I want to catch up with them.
Babe, nah, he just don't almost reach.
I know. There's always a next time. Please. Okay?
But just deal when you see my guy.
I know. I'll see him next time. Say hello to him. Alright?
Okay. Babe, you just did this man.
I know. I can always see him next time. Please, let me catch up with them.
Okay. I be over Sabi. I tear you well. Now wrong side day. I no need personal device. Anyhow, I want some.
Hey, babe.
Hey. Gross.
How are you?
I'm okay.
You're looking good.
Yeah. You sure? You sure for you? They look sharp. See your glasses now. I like them,
Wow.
I saw I like your glasses.
I know. I don't worry, I'm gonna get you one, okay?
I was just saying, one give me a
You don't need this one, I'll get you a new one.
I didn't like the one you use already.
No, I know what you like. So what's up?
I do alright,
This is where you stay?
Yes. Now my small humble abode with this store.
Okay. Wow. Like how many rooms do you have here?
I just saw room and parlor. Yeah, my friend they pay.
Nice one.
But I know say very soon I could just rent one better place like that.
Yeah, I know I can do that.
I know.
What of your friend?
She just come out now.
Oh, she's the one I saw going up right now.
You see her?
I think I saw something.
One fair girl that's why people say the fairness won't enter her eye. I don't even know that thing even enter her eye because you know they do like this.
So when is she coming back?
The good news we say she know they come back this night.
Oh.
So now come me say me and you now, you know, you just say you go there?
For real?
I'm saying I don't say you don't like her. No,
Really? You mean he did not even apologize to Rose?
No. I didn't know what has come over my in-law. If someone tells me that Dennis could talk the way he did in my very own presence, I will never believe it. But let him go and come back.
Mama, it's okay.
Dennis is gone. Another woman has taken him away. I know Dennis happens to cheat on me. But this time, he has gone beyond reach. I don't know what is happening again.
Mama, I think you should let Rose leave this marriage. That's the absolute way forward.
No, that is not the way to leave marriage.
Why not, Mama?
Let him go and come back. I will definitely talk to him.
But look at what she's going through.
In a situation like this, all we need to do is to pray. Let us pray for him. Yes.
What have I not done? Instead of him to get well, he gets worse. No, Mama. What will I do again?
Mama, I honestly don't like the way you're taking this. A man is cheating on his wife, beating her up, behaving whichever way he likes, and you tell her to pray? Why do we have to pray for such a person? Is anyone praying for Rose not to cheat on him? Has she ever cheated on him?
Never.
Oh, and you're saying we should pray. What are we praying for?
We have to pray for him. This is marriage, Onyechukwu. It's not easy. There are so many things involved. Many people are not happy for you. That is why so many girls are out of their marriages. Till today, they are suffering. We need to pray. Let us be prayerful.
I'm not praying. I'll pray for him to suffer if I have to pray at all. He does not deserve prayer, Mama.
We have to be praying for him. For the sake of your sister. Yes. I know, my dear. I know. Stop crying. Stop it.
There is nothing anybody can tell me. Nobody is going to take them out of that cell. Nobody, unless you pay the money.
Oyibo, please, we are sorry. Eh? Oh, be good, Danat. Pikun. I don't even know what put my sister into this. Eh?
I don't understand though. Does it mean they want to be the only teller in this village?
No. Yes. That is why they made up their mind to come and frustrate me and bring me down and intimidate me.
Oyi.
Sorry,
Oyi. Oyi. One them. Oyi. Bikun. If you can be able to cut down on the money you are demanding.
Yes, exactly.
So that you can run around and raise the money. Eh?
Papa, are you mad? Eh? Oyi. What's that? Were you there when they get back to me? Are you mad? What's the meaning of that one? Eh? You better go and look for the money. Because if you don't look for the money, they are going to charge them. Once they charge them, you realize that 500,000 naira is change.
Right.
You will see what will happen.
No, please now, Oyibo.
This is no longer a prison. Let us go and discuss. Okay.
What are you discussing? Eh? Are you okay? Where do you want to get that kind of money from? Oyibo, please. Have mercy on me and my mother. What would I tell my father? What would I tell my mother? Please now.
Yeah,
because
right. Because I was thinking about that thing too. I was pitying for your mother. How can somebody be pregnant and go through all that stress and suffering only to give birth to a useless person like this, with his smelling mouth and his hairy armpit, always misbehaving every way?
Oi. She's kneeling down. I am lying down. Bikon, tamper justice with mercy.
Biko.
Yeah. It's like you don't know that you are a good woman. Hey!
Very nice person.
You are a good woman. Hey! Hey! Bikon, help us. We are not saying that we will not pay you. But let my sister be able to come out from there first.
Okay.
Then she will now go and sell anything in that her shop. So we can be able to pay you.
Okay. Since you have begged and he has lied down, bring 400,000.
Huh?
Jesus.
Oyibo? You say? 400,000. 400, 500. Is it not the same thing? Biko no, please. See, right. He has, the sister has something to say. My brother, empty.
Right. Okay. Since there's no difference, bring the 500,000 naira. You are a very stupid person. I'm here complaining to you about your useless brother. I did not even know that your poor mother has two of you. Foolish people. You are telling me there's no difference between 400,000 and 500,000. One, bring 500,000 naira now. Or go and look for anybody that will come and help you and beg. I will not listen.
Now, what do you want us to do, please? If I go home now without my brother, my mother, you know now, she might just fall and die. Please.
My mother has been going to your stupid brother's shop to go and beg your stupid brother to leave me alone. He refused.
I don't know. Your sister, her mouth is too much.
What about your own brother? Is this one not worst?
Huh? Please now. Let's talk woman to woman.
Oyibo, please now. Oh, let us talk to man to woman. No, don't mind that. The brother is very, very wicked.
You are pouring her saliva. Shift.
Woman, we're giving her saliva.
Please,
shut up. Instead of us to beg together. Please. Your ears make it
Oyibo, see. Let's leave them.
Let us leave them. Let us talk. Man to woman. Oyibo. Oyi.
I be over sabi. I tear eye well. Na wrong side day. I no need personal device. Anyhow I want to make na my target. Oh, baby, one day he go tell on you. You hear? One day he go tell on you. All the wrongs you they do. One day he go tell. If you like to leave school, they parade. One day he go tell on. They change men like clothes. One day he go tell on you. I be master. Money no be my matter. Oh. Make I enjoy life. Life no day too. Anyhow we be. Na money go settle am. Oh, oga one day he go tell on you. You hear? One day he go tell on you. All your chitty. One day he go tell on you. Carry one girl, carry the other one. One day he go tell on you. You want enjoy yourself. One day be the star. Oh,
you love me now.
Yes. Yes, I love you.
You get waiting. I won't make you do for me.
Go ahead and say it. What's in with that?
You see, I want plenty money. So, I want to make you write a check of 10 million naira. Or better still, if you transfer.
No, that is not a problem. 10 million naira is a very chicken change. I can do that double. But the problem here is that I'm not with my checkbook here. So I'm going to do that for you in the morning. Okay? Please come and make love to me.
Hey, bro, you did do transfer now. Transfer.
You forgot my phone is flat. Yes. I can't make a transfer now, okay?
No worry. I get code. I get the charger.
It's okay. Just.
Bros, no worry. Make we plug them. I get code.
Okay. We'll plug it. Just make love to me. Okay. See. Once I get home in the morning, my wife is leaving the house, and you're coming in. Okay? Yes.
That one too makes sense. So now me say when you transfer the money for money, then I will carry go meet my family, go tell them your intention.
Pure. And I will marry you immediately.
When I now come back, I'll give you this thing.
Give it to me now, please.
No, be so they work, bros now. Now money they make that place a water. Water no dey there now.
Please.
Bros, I say water no dey here. If you give me plenty money, I'll just throw them up.
You want me to beat you? You want me to beat you?
You came today.
You want me to beat you?
You came today.
Oh, you are telling my clothes. You are telling my clothes.
You came.
Very good. This is how God deals with people who want to come and cause problems.
Tell this girl to leave me alone.
Abby. Very bad of you. You are not on this side. Take this side.
Obi, that thing that you are known for, you have not done it. Your poisonous spit.
If you don't get out from this place, if I stand up from here, I will slap you. Stupid girl, come on, get out from this place. It's yours. Get out from this place.
Get out from my shop.
Come on, get out from here.
Get out from my shop. Get out from my shop.
You give it to them. You will give it to them. You will kill me.
You will die.
You